Yeah, but the low light pictures from a good distance, like I don't know, say 6 or 7 feet, are grainy. The flash doesn't really reach, which is, I don't know, it might be. I know the flash range on these subcompact cameras can't be all that great. I guess some are better than others, but I meant to see how much. Am I still filming? Yeah. Meant to see how many gallons I had just put in my bike. I think that was the most gas I had used to fill my bike up at one time. I mean, it was $2.94, I think, for premium, which is pretty expensive. But I don't think I'd ever put $8 in my bike before. I think $7 was the most. But I just put $9 and somewhere in the sevens. But I just put $9.50 worth of gas in there, and I meant to see how many gallons that was. I think this is a 4.5 gallon tank, so I think it was like 4.2 or 4.3 or something. It was 135 miles I had gone on 4.3 gallons of gas, like somewhere between 30 and 40 miles a gallon or something. Day. It's been raining off and on for the past week and a half, so good to get out and ride. I don't really ride that much. I mean, my bike is an 04. It's got 6,000 miles on it. Get on it as much as I'd like. When I do, it's a treat. I'm really gonna have to do something about this camera pressed up against my face. Let's see what it looks like when I go down like this. I'm assuming that this angle, there's a lot of wind too. I'm assuming that this angle is pointed more towards my dash than the road, but just wanted to get that. The car behind me probably thought I was going to be taking off. I can stop this video. I have a mind to pull over and look at the status, see how much battery I have left and how much time I have left. But I'll probably charge the camera while I'm at work and then make another video on the way home so you can see what it looks like coming out of the city into Jersey. This is my ride every day. I probably think I'm complaining about the traffic on this road because it really hasn't been that bad today. But it's usually when you're in a rush to go somewhere that you get annoyed by traffic, whether it's warranted or not, and I'm not in a rush today, so I guess traffic is good. The way these things work. curious to see too if you can notice me changing gears. So if I'm still recording here, which I can't tell if I am or not. You know what, I guess if I wasn't, I'm assuming that the camera would shut off. Or, let's see. Thinking that either the camera will shut off or it'll go to a screen that says the memory card is full, and I can still at least see that the lens is open and there's a picture of the road on this LCD here, so I guess it's still recording. I want to see what it sounds. I'm in 6th gear right now. I want to see what it sounds like to shift. I'm not going to do that going 83 miles an hour, but